Hello everyone, welcome once again with your boy Crow Investor. So today's video is gonna be different, and as you can see, we are outside now in Norway, and it's starting to melt. The snow starting to melt, and same shit happens in the stock market as well, right? When this past week was a little bit hard, hard for everyone, especially for people who don't have enough money on the sideline, right? Because I saw my portfolio go from $131,000 to $97,000. Imagine that. That's ouch. Yeah, especially when you don't have money, as I said. And thing is, I just want to talk about it a little bit and share my opinion on the subject, because I feel like everyone who is on YouTube nowadays, they talk about you need to have money on the sideline and stuff like that, but it's difficult, right? It's difficult when you are, for example, now that because I live in Norway, right, and we can't, the platform I use in my case, we can't like buy fraction shares, right? So like, let's take for example Tesla. If I buy Tesla, I need to buy the whole share. So how would I do that? Like, I don't have like that amount of money in my on the sideline. So if the market dips, I just like buy one share or two shares. I mean, then it's like the money is gone, right? So I just like reflected on it a little bit, and I found out, but this is all, of course, this is my opinion, and everyone has his own kind of like perspective on the matter. But I feel like when the market goes up, you get kind of caught up on the upside that you forget when the downside comes, right? Of course, I haven't I just started investing in stock market in late May, and I have been through two corrections now, one in September and the one that we experience now. And the only thing that I'm learning now is that when the market goes up, do you remember the saying that goes like, sell when people are greedy and buy when people are fearful? That's perfect. That sums up my whole like thinking and my whole ideas, because I felt like when it was up, is that like we looked at my portfolio, of course everything is up and you get like caught up in that momentum. But now I decided, like, next time it goes up and we have a bull market, I'm gonna make sure that I'm safe. When I say safe, I'm not telling you like I'm gonna take the money and from the market. You will still do good having your money invested in the market, but what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna at least like take some profits and some just like master a little bit of money or gather a little of money in so that when things gets bad or when shit hits the fan like this week, you could be prepared. And this is only a correction. Imagine when a crash happens and you don't have enough money and you see your portfolio like vanish. So next time, the more when we have a bull market and I got back to 130,000 hopefully or something, I would make sure to just like kind of sell some stocks, just trim a little bit here and there, and just like gather an amount of money depending on my portfolio, 10 to 25%. And that money I'm gonna save. I'm gonna leave it there, not touch it, and just dollar cost average with my income. That way you will have your money in case something happens, and in case you see deals, and you will have money to just buy some stocks. That's my thought process regarding this week, because I felt like I see like really good luck, but I don't know, I can't like lower my cost average, even though you can do something else. And this brings me to my second point, is that if you don't have money and you already have made money on one stock that went up, let's say it went up to 100%, right, and another stock went down. So when not went down, but went down a lot when you compare it to the other one, then what you could do is just like sell a little bit of that 200%, and you can put it on in the other one. Let's say for example I have stock A and B. I'm not gonna mention any stocks because everyone has his own opinion about stocks, but let's say you have A and B, and A, you bought it like $12 per share, then it went to $60 like really fast, and you have another one that was $40 or $40 or $39 or $45 or something, and it went down a lot because of something, you know, it went down a lot. Then what you, in my opinion, I would sell the one that gained 200% in, because the run up that he made, it's kind of enough. Like, you wouldn't like run up as much. So I would preferably put it in the other stock where I can at least like 2x my money faster than the other one, because you know the more downward like stock is, the better the rebound is gonna be. But this is what like I did last week. I'm not gonna mention what, because some people like get kind of upset when I mention which trades I did. You know, like last time I talked about space and selling out of space, people were against it, you know, and I got like a lot of, you know, dislikes on the video. And I feel like, you know, as long as I made like profit and I found another opportunity where I can like grow my money again, and in a safer way, why not? I mean, this is, you know, this is what the market is about. I hope that you haven't sold any shares, because you know this is not the time to sell. I know it's difficult when you look at your portfolio like going red day after day, and you'll just question yourself, question if you have made the right decisions on some stocks. And those questions, you don't ask yourself the same questions when the things are good, right? When things are going up. And the thing is, whenever I saw the stock that went up really fast, really high, those are the stocks that went down really fast, really hard. So just bear that in mind. You could always buy more stocks if you have money. If you don't, you can sell out of the stocks that are less attractive, and you can put your money on stocks that you are more more into. So this is what I mean. This week was a little bit, you know, hard for all of us, but it's fine. This is a thing that we're gonna remember after a couple of weeks or a couple of months. We're gonna remember these days, and we're gonna think like, yeah, I remember when it went down like this amount of money, and now it's double. But we should take like advantage of the upside more than the downside, you know. Now it's not time to sell. Now you could, if you sell, as I said before, you should have plan B. What stock would you put your money in? Not just sell and that's it. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you gather some money. This is what I'm gonna do next time. As I said before, like as a summary, I'm gonna, when it goes up, I'm gonna sell some, gather a little bit of money, $20,000. Depends, 10% or 15, depends how much is gonna go up, right? And that money I'm not gonna touch. I'm gonna leave it there, and I'm gonna dollar cost average with my income. I hope you did some good trades this week, because there was some really good like opportunities out there for people who have money, you know. So this is it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please consider subscribing down below and watch out on my videos. I do upload two videos a week now, sometimes like Wednesdays and Sundays, and I hope tomorrow we'll find something, we see green again, right? If not, keep on adding, keep on, you know, keep on building your positions as you see fit, and you know, good luck. Yeah, so invest safe, guys, and see you next time. Crows out.